Brody, do you have any predictions for this match?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win?
Even with a pistol at single shot.
I like it.
Braden sucks. So.
He does suck. All right, thank you very much. All right, Braden, how do you think that this next match is gonna go down?
I don't know. He's pretty solid with that hand pistol.
And you have how many losses? How many wins? Zero?
Zero wins.
And me and Brody have wins? Okay. So I'm gonna go. So thank you for the interview. So one person goes over to that corner. Someone else goes to that corner. Whoever gets hit 2 times first is the loser.
You look sick, actually.
All right. Sit in quarter number 2. Over there. Brody right there. Okay, and the battle begins in 3, 2, 1, go!
They rise super hard.
Dude, that's a freaking bad picture.
Oh, barely. That hit you.
Did it hit you, Brody? Braden, what are you hoping to get from this game right here? Day is going on YouTube. Watch your language. What are you looking for from this round?
To win.
To win, okay. How are you gonna do that?
Shoot him.
What was that, Brody? Yell louder.
He shoots worse than my grandma's dead turtle.
I like it.
Confidence. Are you shooting me? I can't tell.
This game is intense. That's where.
Watch your head.
Braden, I swear to Dude, that hit a window. That almost hit me. Oh!
That hit you? Yeah. That hit your eyeball or?
So that just hit my eye. How does it feel? How, Braden, how does it eliminated for an interference of a judge?
You're the interference. You're the bitch.
Hey. All right, so this is me and Brody round 1, round 2. So that's 1 win for Brody. I'm hoping that, he'll also take a loss too with, the upcoming new superstar. So as you can see, if you zoom in on my eye, it's a little red and it hurts, but we're fine. We are okay. So now what we're gonna do is Brody. So I'm gonna start in that corner.
You're gonna do Brody?
Corner. What?
You said now what we're gonna do is Brody.
So, remember 2 shots, and so like what I'm trying to get out of this game is I'm trying to get a win, of course, but I'm just gonna play it by ear, see what happens.
What are you trying to get out of this game?
Just another dub, trying to beat him down one more time, because as we remember, I've already lost.
That's okay. That's okay though.
Oh wait, I haven't lost.
No, you haven't lost. You haven't.
Wait a second. I'm undefeated here. So, just potentially trying to keep that score.
Another.
We try to be like that now.
I get it.
This is.
All right.
Why did I just say suck you?
Go over there.
You can't say the F word on camera.
I said suck.
You don't know that.
I did.
We haven't started yet.
I'm just joking.
Go.
Oh, that almost got me. Oh.
That would hit you. I saw that.
That hit my legs. Straight in. Come on. You're supposed to get closer. Take a picture.
Oh, I spiked that one. That shot right behind you.
I know. You're taking. No, it didn't. It hit me over there. That almost hit me.
I know.
That got you.
So tell me, what are your intentions going into this game?
So my intentions, you know, I'm kind of looking to get another win, of course. And you know, with the first win, you know, it was I'm not gonna lie, it was a challenge. You know, Brody put a real fight up. He almost hit me on the first one. You know, there was a little bit of confusion there, but you know, I still believe this is a gentleman's game. So you know, I wish the best of luck for Braden, and I wish that he can get a win because right now he really sucks.
Indeed. Thank you. So tell me what your intentions are for this game.
Just to shut him down early, get on top of him in the game, get at least a shot off, just to get at least one hit on him before he can get two on me.
Seems about right.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I'd like to win, but I'm not expecting it. I just want to get one hit on him. That's it.
You're the newcomer. You get to choose your corner.
Choose.
And I gotta be there.
I'll take this corner.
Okay, Braden's going over there. That means you're going right behind me.
All right, sweet. So
Play.
and like
3, 2, 1. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy. There we go. He's running to a tree. Oh, we gotta chase him. We gotta chase him. We got runners. We got runners going, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Braden's going. He's ducking behind houses. We got an Easton running towards him. What could be the outcome here? Oh, here comes Easton. Uh-oh. Got a Braden sitting right here behind a tree, trying to hide it. Trying to get the W for today. Gentleman game, Braden, you gotta call it. Okay, Easton.
I got him.
You got hit in the mask?
So I got hit in the leg.
Shoot him previous to this. Not shoot at the cameraman, please. Human shields aren't accepted in this gentleman's game. Thank you.
I know.
Braden over here sitting with his game plan. Sticking behind trees. I see. We got Easton standing out in the open, seeing what his game plan is for the day. Just duck and hide.
I got him.
Alrighty. Braden, give me right now. How do you feel about exiting this game?
Hit me in the same spot as the first time, right in the pinky and then back of the neck.
Ouch, that's gotta suck. Easton, how do you feel about this dub?
You know, I think that, you know, it was a fair match. I think that him hitting me 0 times and me hitting him both times worked out very well. And Brody 1 for 1 is going to take me in the challenge round.
Indeed. All right, let's get to that.
All right, let's go.
What are you expecting to get out of this last round?
You know, with 2 wins and no losses, you know, I'm feeling pretty confident, but I'm not feeling overconfident. You know, I know Brody, you know, he's got a good shot. And, you know, I wish the best of luck to him. I really do, but
yeah,
I wouldn't feel bad if I beat his
yeah.
I'm not going to lie.
What do you think of Brody with that pistol?
You know, I think that he does fairly well with it. I think that if I gave him the shotgun, he wouldn't be able to perform as well. You know, he has better accuracy, and he can get close on a target without getting hit. So I agree. Move your thumb out of the camera lens.
That's not in the camera lens.
You know, I think that Brody does a fairly good job at what he does, and again, I wish him luck. But at the same time, I want to beat him for sure. So let's go round 3. Woo!
Thank you. What are you expecting to get out of this last round?
Ooh, this last round, jeez, just some kick.
Oh yeah.
Nothing too bad.
All right.
Hopefully Easton gets shot in the eye again, but you know it never happens.
Hey,
yeah.
it was a one-time
Right.
thing.
One time. Yeah, okay, make
yeah.
it 2. Yeah, that's just.
All right. Okay.
All right.
I wish you the best of luck.
All right.
Okay.
And you know, it's a new rule. It is a 3-time shot. You shoot him 3 times, and it covers the entire park. You know, I'm looking for, you know, a bitch, and I'm just gonna, you know, try and kick his butt. So
Looking for a bitch.
Go! Hit. That's 1 out of the 3 hits.
That got me to sleep. But that's 2. That's 2. Remember, it's 3 now. So stop. Did that get you? No, my pants are falling down, no. I literally, my pants.
Just remember, all the way down there is still legal. Look at GTA character.
That got you.
I gotta get these good angles.
Hands. That got you. Oh my head.
Like angles.
Can't catch it. Holy ball sack.
Twice.
Twice.
It's 2-2 in this last round.
No, it didn't. It went under my legs. Up the skip. That was close. Oh, I'm fogging these things up. Woo! Oh, shoot. This is freaking hard. This is hard. Hi. Holy crap. Right?
I'm getting a lot of dope pictures of Brody and I can't get any of Easton. Come on.
How did I not hit you? Holy shit. Nope, got him.
The
Yes!
round is over.
Let's go! Woo! Woo! I'm the champion. I am the champ. Holy shit. My pants fell down, so I had to stop. Dude, I kid you not. Let's go. Woo! Pants. Hey. My pants are halfway down my booty. Oh my god. Bro. Oh, I gotta give you a hug. Oh. Dude, that was epic. You're right in my left handle. Twice. Dude, you got me twice and I was thinking it was over. So was I, to be honest. Because then my pants started to fall down again and I was like,
Tie them.
Huh? No, I don't tie my pants. Because then I can't get them untied. So like what are we supposed to do now? Like a Dude Perfect trophy giveaway or some shit? Yeah, I'll just hand you this bitch and say what's up.
Okay, ready?
It's kind of gold.
Hey.
And the winner is...
Easton and gets the 2 airsoft guns that he already owned.
Not to take a picture. Fall off this rock.
Is this loaded?
Huh? No. I shot it in my
Dude, good freaking game. That was awesome.